Home textile is a general word which has curtains, cushions, bedspreads, covers, carpets, etc. These can be called home textile. In the production of these products in the early work, there is a difficult point is that the width of the fabric are particularly wide to spread the fabric on a table and then cut, but the spreading process to lay the fabric flat, store neatly, to arrange a person to lay the fabric. Wide door width, heavy fabric, too busy, arrange two people to lay the fabric, lost human resources. The use of automatic paving machine and a problem. Conventional paving machine door width of only 1 meter 6, 1 meter 9, 2 meters 8. Home textile fabrics are basically more than this width size, and Blue Lotus paving machine for home textile such large width fabric. There are special machines to cope with the door width can be made to 2 meters 6, 2 meters 8, 3 meters 8. So the usual paving machine cannot reach the width of the door, and Blue Lotus paving machine little open fabrics, even if some light and thin such as down, heavy as raincoat cloth, elastic such as milk silk. This can easily cope with. Applicable tolerance is particularly high. The use of Blue Lotus paving machine only need a person to look after the equipment on the line. In the paving machine, no fabric on the fabric. The rest of the machine automatically paving time to see to play with the phone or do other work can reduce the human labor and improve production efficiency. Two birds with one stone.